Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to get the funny voices on the TikTok. So this is the new update by the TikTok. Now you can use multiple funny voices on your TikTok account. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the TikTok. Once you will search for it, here you will see update button. Simply you have to click on this update button, and once you will update your TikTok application, go back and you have to tap a while on the TikTok app icon, and here you will see I button. Just click on it, and after that you are in the settings of the TikTok. You have to click on the storage and the cache, and from here you have to click on the clear cache, and you will get the funny voice feature on the TikTok. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.